5881 0244 905881. Springboard College Adom Roma and was we are saying the bedroom and no person who could say a transfer home to be passed here. Udu amko school papa net teacher for papa and bet me amako then sorry to me a Springboard. You met acquire Medina Reach Junction was a Glory Oil filling station a cheap and no more from 0249101012 0249101012. Afe 2C mobile TV and nay TV no to be our mobile phone so they hear so crap mobile phone over TV ni be free fee kwaduma the only nyina obetimi ayo otwe eye 2ctv.tv go phone so a na bibia o TV bia so no obetimi ahwebi babode akọ www.2ctv.tv our Play Store na twe eto na hwebi Sarah and na ye beto aye nto aso school no so na university of Education wa we adwuma mane ha obetimi akọ school abra we adwuma distance education ni bie na abayo A1 to D7 25 years and above omode ani omuni nkomo netumi kwa na kwatura o sohwe no so anasa kwoto adisua no so 02073816668 02073816668 na afei yahwe near Trinity upon day, J.O. Mensa Enterprise, V mixture, and I be used to an to me aboa. V mixture say, Bawadia Toby, and no system how you name free or mount, nay, Colanum Namjiran Sabio, yes, and me and met me a cabamaka, and name them yaria, yo, be a no betianum, V mixture to me aboa, and I went to me a grow, Edia grow ye one passo. I don't know about from 0242 201 110 0242 201 110. Yawa eye Kwashiman cluster of schools. Na transfer centers ne ba kwano no. Ye gina bedwam dwumade so ne ye gina eye mene omahene anemu na fe yama nkwala nyina eye success. Anase ye ma mu good luck. Ewo nsohwe a umma ba tworo no. Ye frase abo awuram ne omadi nkomo. Enura na omu frase enti nkomodie no. Ba be gina wo mu nyina so. Menya nko short girl bia o ha say ye. De ya do so ye frase.
Sarah did you right?
What the answer na me and no sorry be na mo tro
Pache your English ni RN
yo na e ko say
Pache ko ye pa
me de mate de o de bia bi say ni me try was nice we be na fa ye nsem bebre hu so
Pache me super Nyankopon Adom
what the Nyankopon Adom aso na no ano no be twa wate school be na wo pa akọ
Pache pese me nko Wesley girls
wo be kododo wo be ko Wesley girls wo ma fa wo kora no a me ma wo ma fa wate bobodi na tworo so hwe ne twa no gam na fe yen ko pe school wo ma wate how be na wo fa mo bra wo tworo so hwe no
Pache man for how be
mo frase antem
Pache
de na wo bom pa ye se ebe wie fiada na de na akoso
Pache me bom pa se radima e man so anto na yentimi ntwo ne pass ne fa nhye ne de animonyam
amen na me mo anenya why ne tumi ko school papa ate I me do the frase
Naomi Tenge
ene o free no afo ho
Volta region
sa ene kan igbe tire wo musuafo na wo Volta sa wo transfer na o hia mpa abo
da kuna mi nya papumel mada kuna mi dugbera leta nya bela de exam skangro mala matima jagba makpo school ni mi ayi ikami ati akwada akpada mo hu kuma o kla mada shade no
amen pa bo na nya pa bo na bo za o ka say
me senti yes romo say omo bompa ye mayen na nsohwe aye tro yi bibia nko yie ma gidigidi bia mba obi amfa mboase entro bibia na
ore na aho ana
joy of tears
ene die nko amro so oba wie school na ade ba kwa nkola yi wo mo bompa ye se fiada obi ai ne plans ato ho se fiada pa de ene wa mo pa da ene na de bebe sha sohwe no school ko ya ho school kwa ya
Pacho Davi
enye ya ho school kwa de ya fra say
Pacho ya from Prince Apia
se wasua de awie na abetwa so hwe ne be kase ya twa pepe me be ya ho
Pacho be me ya pa if say paper na wo be twem no me decide na ma tro ni ye pa nti se wo twem be me ya pa
na wa ba apode
Pacho wo da bi apode hu ya ye kire say my enfa ye ni nto apostle de be sua no na be ban say my enfa ye ni nto apostle
enti enura etoye
Pacho endra ebi to ye and ebi nso anto especially we article by na letter writing so by
Sir.
Nti me no ni nyina ya kyerɛ nsa nti de ba a wo hwɛ sɛ wa ho odin betima atro no
No we je
afa no atro
na the last gusu
patro
obi antwetwe wo sɛ kyerɛ me kakra
o dabi ye nyina obi a ya de nti obi antimi antwe
wo watwe wo kura ya kyerɛ no ɛna ye dan ye so hwɛ de to le bia na de kura no wura fi enti obi twe wo sɛ de smell ma no aya smell ma no vigilators ya munya abotre nkwala na mo tworo so hwɛ on de metire ye nya sɛ bia mekyerɛ o ma bɛhyɛ bɔne o ye fra sɛ
ye fra mi ima no nyako
yo ima ɛnɛ so hwɛ bɛ na wo tworo
ye tro science na BDT
yo enti de na wasua
oh mesia science na BDT no ti me ye prepare say metima atro
science de na wasua wo ka bi kyerɛ me
oh mesia we ye friend say mixture and I'm missing fresh matter and I'm missing fresh density how to dense with chemicals until me prepare say me matter
now why you matter kura nke be ha me me go school matter there akura we your friend say
my name is Famous Christmadu
u fra igbe
Mercury
we kan igbe me enko
yeah maga BC de dokwa manya na nekeka mi school vi o mi avo because never a fellow comito a subject to Catanpla and new Cata Labamia as Rene Miakovangli the Doqua. O comito Catama so for now preparation a eletov. That Nushanikeva Miller ready bow. Miauga.
What about it to Pepano? What's what about it to Mauga, which is what about it to Pepano? When we are so science, Meboa. Oh, said doctor, who now by your home.
Amanya new Kajin Susula Mavas medical doctor.
And one on your memoir, what it? Now one panier, now into me, moi. Oh, Ferry. Your friend say
Fatima Tabaka.
Fatima, Ufri North, Fafa.
I'm not from North, I'm from Benin.
You are from Benin? Oh, wow. And so your parents are from Benin and they are here?
Yes.
And Casabana to Ghana?
Zugu.
Huh?
Benin language.
Sure. Now, Benin language, me, dear Henamtia. And Ghana for Nkwana, how fi Benin. Kaukurum Casa, and Ghana for Mementi Benin Casabiada. Kana catch a man for so much of any be. Ghana. Now, all her quiet, now they make a water. What to tree, sir? Come Benin Casa.
Okay. He bikaba kantumu abe kaba enikate ena abe kaba dusku kaba he kaba kato irpe de mabame gaba me madwala afia ka hantum e kaba la kalikani yoga irpe mabame banagana kana man hantum na la kaliga pemaga ibame ganna e kaba hantum kulupe an hantum ka hantum na binenze kuna kulupe abe kaba me badusku kaba first choice second choice ba me badwa e kaba.
First choice here.
My first choice is Accra Wesley Girls.
Accra Wesley Girls. Accra Girls.
Yes.
Because Wesley Girls will keep coast. Any Accra Girls. A honor park. Oh, me baba ko owie school Accra Girls and re yawo. It will be na hwa ko wate. Na ukuro mu school ne high school de he na ye kama.
De bia ye kama. Ni na ye normal.
Akola ni fi Benin, what twi ka ho wate. Ye fra say
Pacha from Gladys Apia.
Yo, Gladys School of Gospel Child Academy.
Pacha.
Hefa.
Pacha official town.
And then na obetro.
Pacha metro science and BDT.
Yo. BDT then where's your home?
Pacha mesia food commodities and food spoilage and food preparations. Pacha.
The food preparation na there.
Pacha e kasa chere senior senior aduane na ekwan a obefa so a obenya aduane recipes ni na
na wo so hwe no wantwa me dom papa me anam diken be ba be boro wa ha ye drivers ne ba ko ebeni enti wasua de yi a wo betwa wo pese ko school wa he
Pacha mpesa me nko wo Kumasi Armed Forces
Kumasi na ape
Pacha
sa wa bre nkran wo ho Mati ubenya wati Kumasi Armed Forces ubeka bi wo ho ye frost Poshiata yo Poshiata e wo kwashima wan JHS wako school wo kwashima ya ne ade a ene wo hwe a obi a wo school wo private school ne wo aban school site to mo betimi atwa hwe na atwa kama
Pacha
then na kire
e say me
in fact try myself sisi ya e wo brofum na mintie kan brofo
I'm called Adom Portia. I'm 15 years of age. I attend school at Kashima 1, JHS. I'm fair in compression. me.
Medenato sorry ano me medenato sorry ano sorry enu a utro abrofo nti da me bi san say myself ma me hwe no enti nei wugidi ye san sorry no betimi atwa ne kama enya wan
Pachan.
unya nurse ya obey ho
Pachan.
eh ase me nim madane prophetess me hwe wa wanim nyina nurse na atwro wo wanim enti science wo betwa mwa
Pachan.
wo sua de ne den
Me said the diffusion osmosis. Mata. Life cycle of mosquito.
so be sua mata wa ho mebo a unyina ma sua mata. Okay, what is matter?
Matter is anything that has weight and can occupy space.
Them eba to say matter dey me kai pa wetwa mo what oh ya frost
If me lead
you and the science we sua pa then na person here in future
person me nurse.
so ba nurse wo ho wo ba won panie wo ko ne won panie na wo abadaye de
Pachan.
wo abadaye de hwe nipa
Pachan.
nipa ho ahom ti o
Masile rade so mama me anwode na mentimi fan ye.
wasre nya me wo ho na me beboa wate so hwe no betwa wate no atumi aye nurse kolebu na person o ye nurse wo
Pachan.
da bi ya wa abrochire ai Ghana harness ni sikanim papa ya wa abrochire na atumi aboa ma me enkwala ne bi wo e wo ene sei na me de wo so eni nkomo we so wo kwashiman Anglican wine ya fra say
A friend Chiboka favor.
yo Chiboka fe ufi Nigeria
Pachan.
oh Nigeria adishia ne ho
Please, I cannot understand the tree properly.
you don't understand tree properly but you understand brofo properly
Yes.
Okay, speak brofo now. How prepared are you for today's exam?
Yeah, I'm fully prepared. I read from morning to night. I know that God will make us to pass. Yeah.
So why are you schooling in Ghana and not Nigeria?
My auntie live in Ghana, so she started to call me here, and I also decided to follow her. I know it will help me a lot because I like Ghana's system of education.
What's the difference?
Oh, when I came here, some of the things that have been taught here, I've never met it in Nigeria. So I'm so proud to be in Ghana here schooling.
And there's a lot of doomsday in Nigeria too.
Oh yes.
And Nepal is worrying you people, isn't it?
Yes, please.
So I'm praying that you pass your exam. Which school do you want to go to?
Odogono.
You want to Odogono?
Yes, please.
Oh, what is nice about Odogono? Why do you want to go to Odogono?
I like their dressing. I like their way of life. I like how they discipline them over there.
And they walk out Odogono. We say, now we're still guys also Odogono. Jack Nada Okra. And the schools are one a bit more how much say and Ketuano. The way Omucha, better shock. Now, what do you want to be in future?
I want to be a medical doctor.
Hey, you want to be a doctor?
Yes.
You'll be a doctor, eh? Means that this science exams you should pass well.
Yes, please.
That's so, no. But what would you do, brother? The friend say,
My big acquaintance.
you, I didn't know who done it. Okay, maybe say what is the matter? Okay, what is the matter?
Matter is anything that has shape and occupy space.
Matter in there. What you go to? I didn't say matter about her better.
But you mean?
I said matter too. Matter in the open point and I said to because what I to me say, or my Jumata go to Paya, or Babetro. JSS, Bompa, yes, Ubevian, sorry, no to me a chamber. Now your child saw him one, send a bay.
But you mean,
Wherever who where's she dear? Apato, Obiama, Obiam, Fabiam Melo. One West Yawadia, or bachelors of him. And run saw her neck saying, but I would you say, Obenya saying? Obenya, why and I be and I see and I. Benya, no to me, the school. No. Yeah, to us, your friend.
But you the Gloria no boating.
You, Gloria, I'm not boating. You, just said, Bra, Obeka be one. Bye. I branch and minimum power. I'm a man acquire Bobby. Obetros of head.
Pachai.
How prepared are you?
Patromation, dear pan, and I made you said the mission, they be better.
Yeah, now we're quite better.
To say like farming system, adaptation, and I say, no, Beba. It's no last year, and any young buy it, be say, be an air, say, better.
That is a walk up a past question, Koran, where you are good.
Pachai,
sir. When you are a serious student, when you are so better, you, and never requires to be a back. And so I watch you now trying to see a mobile.
She patro de meni njekula me basa. Se mesu ade pa ne ba betwem. Ei.
Ebe ha dwere.
Pa.
Enti me ka kire wa yekefo so wo ne wan. Ehon ne ntu, ehon ne ntre wa yekefo ye mpa dede. Yesra mu a mo hwe ma bibia nkọ kama ne ntumi nya fine bra. Aduru so.
So.
Aduru so.
Okay, I'm ready.
Say ene ukotwero so wura classroom ho ade na be. Wura ho ade na be.
I will pray first.
Bon parliament.
I said that our Heavenly Father, you are the one who created the heaven and the earth.
Amen.
Father Lord, this is the day that we are going to write this examination.
Amen.
Father Lord, I commit my examination into your hands.
Amen.
So that you can help me to pass this examination.
Amen.
As your word says that you are the only God that you can do everything. Amen. So God, may you help me.
Amen.
Through Jesus Christ, I pray. Amen.
Amen. God should give you retentive memory.
Amen.
So that whatever you learned, no, okwane buha what to me import the wensia no. Obetimi am wadwene bia betimi am watwero. Because e bi wo ha betimi the wadwene atwero. All those say wensia na ya ntra o mebo a.
Yes.
And na kire say school ni. School ni ne say the ya kire nko an awotwero bi wa ne ntra o. And so kind question now be say yes. We metimi the madwene afa ho atwero. Eno entre say we share trinity. Na ye ko bisa say what is a bed? We say a bird is a flying object, and then a flew I went on the tree. Therefore, what is a tree? No, I started. And you want to know when you're zero. Moi, you. Na and today, so I know who did you so bet me a channel.
But I mean, we be able to do.
When you up as I had.
But I say, Minya footballer.
Oh,
yeah.
Hey.
And I want to.
Oh, boy, some modern position.
No. I want to become Messi.
Okay. I go with pa. Maybe Ronaldo theater better want to become Messi. And I mean more what it. Because I know boy about the crowd in Madia, Usia de Boa, Edo Cohen. Bibra for net, a bim padish and to share the Yena Cohen. What it? And I memoir my own 9 hours on the Bobono. Bibian touch him and that's camera to what it. Ane, my found Quabe before Frona, Yanem Colami, no Alpha and Concovi. How I do my dear, any a day bread one. Your frozen.
But your family for me.
Tauri, you come the 1 minute and if you better one in the Bacopa.
Pacha.
Oh, for you, and so when I call saying,
Echo ye pa.
or don't call 1 SHS. A teacher for it, say what dear year and run so and what wrong say yes. Teacher near to them, my dear Wabuabe.
I am much I dear pan and run so and say, Co ye, it's Mitro Yankasa.
Oh, what feel?
That's
Oh, yeah, you should.
Pacha.
And to quite so baby a school by day.
Person Minister of Agric.
Hey! Now, who natural, so I pay minister. I'll call you up $2 million. No idea, an idea. Meboa.
Pacha.
Just was I. A vampire so obey minister.
Pacha.
Name of one corrupt. One minister when we are there. Now, bet me her mother. I don't know how Greek. Won't pay defense. If you are there. Oba pedi ani pa o. Yeah, Francis.
Prince Omwa.
What Prince Omwa? And one had the better answer.
Aye, sir.
Said you are no the who paper no embo.
Da be me dey me suro fiu.
Sir.
Aye.
Unyi na person here soldier ni.
Me pese me engineer, soldier adwuma de me ni nhye dan de ho sa.
Ahwe a okopie mu de nchiro bo ase ya aburu waku.
Nambia sir.
Entina wo person here the engineer. Yo. Entina exercise who here pa mo.
Sa be be.
Yo, entina so hwe be kwase ama.
E be koyi pa ma me. Se nya akopon e die. Sa be be.
Yeah, that's it. Obi afre nya me bra de hear them. Yeah, hwe kwan say nya me betimi abo ankwala yi na o matumi atro so hwe ni ye. Wo mo ohim bia wo pese wo motoma me. Wo mo ohim bia Tanam, 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 tananam. Bye-bye. And mine forevermore. Amen. We are resisting oppressors' rule, including Waike for cancellation. You are resisting what yes to do. Amen. And our Springboard College show V Mixture 2CTV and afe Winneba Education obetimi aboya ye he kwan se be ba mpotemu na eni wa bedin komo ye he kwan se fia da bibia be kodwojo na wa igfo so hwe no wo metwam wo mankwala ibre ankoye kwa ma wode ahwe tira kwan bra opese ye beto awo na ye ka wadwe ibre wo 0244 905 881 ya makrabo.